Here at G&G, we are now running oversized panels. They come in three different sizes: 9'6", 8'6", and 7'6", with matching concrete grabber boards to suit. These panels can be used in concrete slotted posts and wooden posts, even though we highly recommend using our Beast range as they are very strong and heavy duty panels. The frame is made using 75 by 47mm C24 timber with a UC-free treatment, and the feather edge is centre core spruce. We use stainless steel fixings to prevent any black marks you get from standard panels. If you do need a custom sized panel, please don't hesitate to call us on 01322 787 312 or visit our shop in Gravesend, Lower Road.